Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to repair Sims 4 game on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main Steam interface with various options available at the top of the screen. In the upper left corner, you'll notice the word Library. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to your game library where all your installed and owned games are displayed. Now before we move forward, I need to mention that I don't actually have Sims 4 in my library list at the moment, but I'm still going to walk you through the exact steps you need to follow. So let's pretend that I have Sims 4 installed, or that I'm using Sims 4 for this demonstration. The process will be exactly the same on your end. Once you're in your library, locate Sims 4 from your list of games. When you find it, right-click on the game title. A context menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, select Properties. This will open a new window dedicated to the game's settings and configurations, giving you access to various management tools that Steam provides for each individual game. In the Properties window, you'll see a left panel with different categories. Look for the option labeled Installed Files and click on it. This section contains all the tools related to the game's installation, including backup options, move options, and verification tools. It's specifically designed to help you manage and troubleshoot any issues with the game files themselves. Now, in the main area of the Installed Files section, you'll see a button that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click on it. This is the key feature that will help repair your game. What this does is scan all your Sims 4 game files and compare them against Steam's original versions. If any files are missing, corrupted, or have been modified, Steam will automatically detect them and re-download the correct versions. After you click the button, you'll need to wait for Steam to complete the scanning process and re-download any missing or corrupted files. This might take a few minutes depending on how many files need to be fixed and your internet speed. The verification process will address common issues including The Sims 4 not launching, crashes during gameplay, or even missing DLC content that should be there but isn't showing up properly. And that's it. You've successfully repaired your Sims 4 game through Steam's built-in verification tool. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.